Look at them ducks. Look at the babies. Look at all those chickens. Look at all those chickens.
What happens if he jumps in the water?
Alex, shut it. It ain't gonna jump in the water. Why would it jump in the water?
You don't know what he does.
What if the baby's drowned? Look, she's protecting the baby.
Well, that's a duck, and those are chickens. You know that?
Look at all those chickens! I love that meme.
No, they don't have webbed feet.
Look at all those chickens.
So yeah, Mom,
I
don't
give you
correct me. I know they
Look
might.
at the baby!
That one's a duck, but those are all chickens.
Those are her babies.
Yes, they're chickens.
They're not chickens.
They're
chicks.
chickens.
They don't have webbed feet. And it's still her baby. 3, 4, 6, 7. She needs an even number of babies.
Alex,
Can we steal the one that's just like sitting there?
Oh,
you could try. You'll get bit probably.
Look at the baby.
Hi guys. People from kidnapping you. Come close to your mama.
Don't
I'm
you
sorry, I hit her in the
at
snout.
me. I will slap you in your face.
This bitch talking about you're my baby.
Why are you laughing?
None of those babies eat the food yet. Well, the other ones were a little bit more mature than those.
Yeah, these look like they were just...
I want the little ones to stay on land because I remember last
You
time
don't
we
know
were
if
here,
it's a
y'all
male
tried
or
to run
female. Are you
over-
assuming it's gender? You said hi, mama. Yeah, you're assuming it's gender. That's bad.
Hi, it.
Doesn't mean anything. A male can... So don't argue with me. You're assuming somebody's gender. Something.
I'm scared that somebody will run over them if they go in the water.
Whoop. Oh, then hold it.
That one is.
You guys are ow! What's on the floor? There's something on the ground I stabbed myself with, but okay. Unholy. Quackers.
That's not
I know, Alex.
Quack.
Oh, look at that one just sitting right there. See that?
Yeah, so that's the one we should steal because it's always sleeping. Oh my god. Look at that chicken! Go! Go! No, I don't want to leave him.
Come on, baby. I like the way the water.
Alright, goodbye. 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 Ah, the chickens! The chickens! Bye, chickens.